Hi guys, try this Qdoba soup bowl with me. This is my first time trying this bowl here, so I'm gonna open it up for you so you can see what it looks like. She told me it's a vegetable soup, like broth almost, and then you just like add whatever protein, meat, cheese. I think she added like beans and rice on the bottom of it, so hey, that's what it looks like. Really good. So let's try this here. Heat definitely needs to be on. So cold outside. Let's pray. Dear God, please bless this meal and bless your safe here. So it is very cold out here. So I just want to try this to see what it gives. It's actually my first time, like I said, trying this bowl. So I'm going to try and mix it around as much as possible. Okay. This is pretty good. This is actually really good. This is actually pretty good. Not gonna lie. I would definitely get this again. Definitely a 10 out of 10. I'm obsessed with this bowl here. I would definitely get this again, 10 out of 10. And it has like the bowl that you can kind of like crunch into. Super cheesy. Super cheesy. A little spicy. I grabbed water. But definitely a 10 out of 10 on the bowl here. Really good. Cheesy. So I had brown rice, black beans, beef, and then just a little bit of cheese on top with like these little crackers. Really, really good. Hi guys, if you're new here, please like and subscribe. Today we're just trying the Qdoba bowl. Really good. Definitely obsessed. Hi. Really, really good. If you guys are willing to try this, definitely try it yourself. It's absolutely delicious. I'm obsessed with this. It's like I said, my first time me ever trying this bowl. So I'm gonna finish.